Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am your maths teacher from United Public School, Tandoor. Yesterday we are starting our chapter that is called rational number. What is rational number? My rational number is in the number which can be written in the form of p by q and q should not equal to 0. The numbers which can be written as p by q, q should not be equal. The denominator should not be equal to 0. Yesterday we also learned about the properties of rational number. How many properties of rational number we have 4 properties of rational number. What are they? Closure property, commutative property, associative property and distribution law. We already learned about that, just we have to recall the all. What is the first closure property? Closure property is the a b should belongs to q. It means all for all a plus b belongs to q. What is q here? Q is a rational number, a number which is in the form of p by q form. Okay, here I am taking the two example. What are they? 2 and 3. As a and b belongs to q, when we add two numbers, when we sum two numbers, we get the 5. 5 belongs to q. 5 is not a rational number here, ma. We can write is a 5 by 1. The value of 5 by 1 is also equals to 5 only. Okay, this is a closure property. What is the commutative property? We have the commutative property. If a b belongs to q, then it satisfies the given two conditions. What are the two conditions here? A plus b is equals to b plus a. It is the first condition on addition. It is the second one is a into b is equals to b into a. This is the second condition on multiplication. Okay, I am taking the two example. What is this? 5 and 6 as a and b, a plus a and b. I am applying the try to prove the first condition. What is the first condition? A plus b is equals to 5 plus 6 is equals to, we add the reverse 6 plus 5, we get the 5 plus 6 is 11, 6 plus 5 is 11. It is means 11 into 11. 11 is equals to 11 means the second condition is satisfied. I already learned about it, just we have to recall that. 5 into 6 is equal. Here on multiplication we take the same example. What is this? 5 into 6 is equals to 6 into 5. 6 5s are 30 and 6 6s are 30 and 6 5s are 30 means LHS is equals to RHS. Second condition also is proved. What is our third property? Third property is associative property. We are taking, what is the third property? Associative property. If a and b, c belongs to q. What is q here? Q is rational number. Then it satisfies the given two condition. What is the condition? A plus b is a plus b in plus c. A plus b plus c. Okay, when we add the first two number, we get same answer. If you add last two numbers, we get same answer. If we add the first two number, then third number, we get the same answer. This condition is that a into b into c, a into b into c. We have, when we add the last two number, when we multiply the last two number, then first number, we get the same answer. If you multiply the first two number, then last number, we get the same answer. To understand the given two conditions, just we have to take an example. What are they? 2, 3 and 4 as a and b. Just we have to replace the all numbers as a and b. What are the 2 plus? First we have to satisfy this condition. What is a plus b plus c? A plus 3 plus 4 is equals to 2 plus 3 plus 4. Just we have to add the last two number, then first number. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Just here in LHS side we have to add the first two number. What is 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 4 is means 5 plus 4. Okay, 7 plus 2 is 9. 5 plus 4 also 9. We get the LHS is equals to RHS. That means the first condition is satisfied. What is the first condition? Here two numbers on addition. If add the first two number, if multiply the first two number, we get the same answer. If you add the last two number, first we have to add the first two number, then last number, we get the same answer. Okay, this is the two condition. Okay, we have the fourth. What is the fourth one? Is distribution property. We also call it as distribution law also. Okay, what is the first? What is that? If a b c belongs to q, then it satisfies the given condition. Okay, what is the condition? A into b plus c is equals to a b plus b c. It is a very important condition. This is called distribution law. Okay, what is that? If a into b plus c, LHS is equals to, what is that? First we have to apply the first two numbers, first one and second one, a into b. Then we write the plus, afterwards a into c. Okay, this is the distribution law. To understand the distribution law, just we have to take one example. Just we have to take just example. What is the ABC? I am taking ABC as 2, 3 and 4. What is that? A into B plus C is equals to A into B plus C is equals to AB into AC. Okay, this is the formula of distribution law. Just we have to prove that LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, A in place of A we are substituting the 2, in place of B we are substituting 3, and in place of C we have substituted the 4. Okay, A, what is A here? A is 2, into is as it is. What is 3 ma? 3 is, what is B is? B is 3. Okay, plus is as it is. Then what is the C? C is 4. Okay, for A B, first A multiply the A B na, so 2 into 3, then plus A C. Okay, A into C, 2 into 4. Okay, first we have to solve LHS and RHS. We have to perform LHS and RHS now. Okay, first LHS is equals to 3 plus 4 is 3 plus 4 is 7 now. Then come to the RHS. 2 3 is 6, plus is as it is. 2 4 is 8. Okay, 2 7 is 14, 6 plus 8 is also 40. That means we get the LHS is equals to RHS. That means that this condition is satisfied. Okay, this condition is satisfied. Up to that we are learn about the properties of rational number now. Thus we have to take the next topic. What is that? Existence of inverse. Existence of inverse. We have existence of inverse in two in the two types. Is that what is that? Additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. First we have to understand what is additive inverse ma. If A is any rational number ma, what is A is any rational number, then A plus of minus A is equals to 0. This is the condition, this is the formula. Okay, for additive inverse. Then let's see the one example. 3 plus minus 3. 3 plus of minus 3 is equals to 0. Plus into minus ma, 3 is as it is. Plus into minus is minus is equals to 0 is as it is. 0 minus 0 is LHS is equals to RHS. This means this condition is satisfied. Here also one formula. What is the A plus 0? A plus 0 is equals to A, and 0 plus A is equals to 0. What does that mean ma? If any number we add the 0, we get that same number when we add the 2. Let's see that example of 2. Let's see as the example. When we add any, A is any number, any integers. Okay, 5 plus 0 we get only 5. If we add first 0, then 5, we get only 5 answer. Here 0 is the additive identity. Okay, here one thing is we have to remember that A minus A is the additive inverse of A. Minus A is additive inverse of A. Here is example is minus 3 and 3 are the additive inverse to each other. ये एक दूसरे क्या हो जाते हैं? additive inverse होते हैं. Okay, 3 minus 3 is additive inverse of 3 and 3 is additive inverse of minus 3. There are additive inverse to each other. Okay, we are taking the one more example. Here 5 minus 5 is the additive inverse of 5. Okay, minus 5 is the additive inverse of 5. And we can say also 5 is additive inverse of minus 5. If minus 20 is there, what is the additive inverse of minus 20 is 20. Okay, and plus 100 is there. What is the additive inverse of minus plus 100 is minus 100. This is the properties of additive inverse. Okay, second one is the multiplicative inverse. What is the multiplicative inverse? We have two inverse. Existence of inverse we have two, no? Additive inverse, and second one is multiplicative inverse. If A is a rational number, A into A 1 by A is equals to 1. A get cancelled, we get answer 1. Okay, to understand the given condition, here one more condition is that A into 1 is equals to A and 1 into A is equals to A. Okay, when we apply the A into 1, we get A answer. If A into A, 1 into A also get the same answer A. Okay, here 1 by A is the multiplicative inverse of A. We can say this number is the multiplication of A. 1 by A is the multiplication inverse of A. Okay, we can, let's see the one example. Here 3, what is the 3 multiplicative inverse? 1 by 3 ma. 3 is the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 3. We can say 1 by 3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3. We can say both. Okay, here is the one more example. 7 by 9 na. 7 by 9 is the multiplicative inverse of 9 by 7. 9 by 7. Just we have to take the reverse of it. Okay, reverse of the that number. 7 by 9 is there. Now what is the multiplicative inverse of multiplicative inverse of 7 by 9 is the 9 by 7. Just we have to take the reverse value. Just 3 is there. Just we have to do the reverse is 1 by 3. Okay, we can say the one more example. 100 is the, what is the multiplicative inverse of 100 is 1 by 100. Okay, if we take the 17 by 20, what is the multiplicative inverse of 17 by 20 is 20 by 70. Just you have to take the reverse of that number. Okay, let's start our exercise. What is our exercise? Exercise 1.1. Maha, name the exercise 1.1. First one, name the properties involved in the following example. What is the first unit is all our examples, whatever till that we have discussed about the, what are the, how many discuss about that, how many properties we are discuss about 4 properties and 2 existence of inverse. What are the closure property, cumulative property, associative property and distribution law, and 2 existence. What are the existences? Multiplicative existence, multiplicative inverse and additive inverse. Now just we have to take all the example, just we have to identify which example belongs to which property. Here is the example, all our example, just we have to write the properties name. Okay, come to the first one. What is the example, which properties example it is? 8 by 5 plus 0 is equals to 8 by 5 is equals to 0 plus 8 ma. Here is the first one question. What is that? 8 by 5 plus 0 is equals to 8 by 5 is equals to 0 plus 8 by 5. This is example is in the form of additive inverse. This is example, just we have to write the property name, identity name. Okay, just we have to identify which example belongs to which property. Okay, a plus 0 is equals to 0, a plus 0 is equals to a, and 0 plus a is 0 plus a. It is the example of additive. 2 is equals to 2. It is a second Today's class is completed, ma. Okay, I explained the first one question. Now first one question, you have to try all property. Just you have to compare the example from which property. Just you have to try. I will explain again in the next class. Okay, this is your class, today's class. Just you have to complete your notes, write your whatever I discuss in our class. Just you have to write on your notes and send me on the group. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.